everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a flashes transition on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, in here I want to add a three video. So if you want to add a flashes transition, you just click on bulk white icon, this one. So you just click on it, and then in here you can click on basic, and at the basic you can see this is a flashes effect, flashes transition effect. So you just click on it, and then after this you can swipe like this for the set the duration of flashes. And you after this you can click a check icon in here. But if you wanna add this transition effect for all a video in here, you just click on apply to all this one. So you just click on this, and then after this you can click check icon. And now finish. So that's how to add a flashes transition effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.